Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to export transactions for a specific year in Wave Accounting. This feature allows you to export your accounting data for a selected year, making it easy to create backups, prepare reports, or share financial records. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and go to the official Wave Accounting website. Sign in to your Wave account. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on Need Help. A menu will appear. From the menu, click on Business Settings. When the Business Settings page opens, scroll down until you find the Data Export section. Click on Data Export to view the available export options. Here, you'll see 3 different options for exporting your data. The first option is Export All Transactions for Excel, which exports your transaction data in a format that's easy to open and edit in Microsoft Excel. The second option is Export All Transactions as CSV, which exports your transaction data as a standard CSV file that can be used in many different applications. The third option is Export All Receipts as a zip file, which downloads all of your uploaded receipts in a single compressed zip folder. Simply click on the Export option that matches the type of data you want. As soon as you click it, your export request will be submitted successfully. Wave will process your request, and after a short time, you'll receive an email with a download link. Open the email and click the download link. Before downloading, you'll be able to select the specific year for which you want to export your transactions. After selecting the year, continue with the download to receive your exported file. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to export transactions for a specific year in Wave Accounting. I hope this video helped you. If you found this tutorial useful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.